So it's been 3 months since we moved into our 50-year-old fixer-upper.
And we wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what we did to the property so far. Part 2.
Here is our hallway entrance. Added some light fixtures from IKEA and a simple rug for now. Then as you come through the kitchen, just added, the basic rug. My energy is so low today, so I'm gonna take Magic Mind. It's a small little bottle. It's like a juice shot. It's so good. It's organic. And this is a daily one you can take in addition to your coffee or after your coffee. This is a nightly one, which we've been taking every night. It helps you sleep so well. Shake it up. I usually like it with milk. I'll do the whole thing. I am a milk girl. And there it is. Be sure to use the link below, 45% off the 24-hour pack. You will love it, no regrets. We changed some light fixtures throughout the house because I didn't like the old fans and some of the light fixtures they had. So for now, I got some Amazon light fixtures, left everything the same. As you can see, we didn't do no remodeling. What we did was remove the popcorn ceilings and paint everything white.
What color is this?
This is Sherwin-Williams Extra White?
Yeah.
Extra White. This is our dining room. As you can see, the dining room I was talking about. Didn't change the floor quite yet. We are making a whole plan, what to renovate and how to renovate, making the best of it so we can do it all at once. And then this here, it's all from World Market, if you're interested. They got some nice tables. My sister-in-law does beautiful paintings. She'll do anything you want. You give her a picture of what you want and they'll build a canvas and do the whole thing. Super nice. If you would like a painting like this, contact Oleg on his email. Links will be below for everything we have. Here is our living room. We didn't do nothing in the living room yet. Again, we just changed the popcorn ceilings, made them nice and smooth, and that really helped to make it very flowy. And then we also painted everything white just to get a blank canvas and see what it would look like with what we want to do. We have 2 sofas in here, but we want to get a sectional eventually. As we go on further, this here is the bathroom. Didn't do much to it, but for now, this is what it is. This here is our bedroom. Still looking for some furniture, nightstands and everything. For now, it works. I really love how white it gets with the 2 windows. This is our guest bedroom, which we're also looking for some nightstands and redecorate everything. Also 2 windows, which I love. This light fixtures from IKEA, if anyone's interested. Here is the room that needs a little help. Got our desk and we need to get, like a bookshelf to organize everything and make it cute.
All right, hope you guys liked that quick little tour by my lovely wife. Over these past 3 months, we've been really struggling with the staircase. And the staircase here, it's kind of right in the middle of the house. We cannot open the house. The only solution, and the solution that works, is to move it in our guest bedroom and make the upstairs 2 rooms instead of 1 room. Extend this living room area. That way we can get rid of the wall right behind you guys there and make it into a smooth open kitchen, open layout.
We also want to change all the windows, basically floor to ceiling windows, so it makes it seem bigger because it is a Rambler with an 8-foot ceiling. That's our plan as far as the windows go.
And then one other thing in the kitchen, we're going to be adding a picture frame window that's about 8 foot long so that we can make it into a more of a modern home. What kind of style are we going for in this house?
Modern but cozy.
Modern but cozy. Trying out different furniture, different things in this house, but the flooring is not done, so it's kind of hard to imagine what things will be like, but we're doing our best here. From where it's been, we had that green room, we had that pink room, this was brown in here, so it was really hard to see the vision behind it, but I feel like now that we painted everything white, we have this blank canvas that it's much easier to actually envision what we want to do here. All the links for the products you see in our home will be down in the description. And again, if you want that painting, contact me in the email and I'll get you in touch with the person who actually painted that canvas for us. You have anything else to add?
No. Have a great day.